Hey class, hello everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to today's session. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to all of you. So, as you all know, that today is a very special part where I'm coming to talk to you, and the reason I have come here to talk to ICSE students especially is because there is a reduction in the syllabus of ICSE grade 10th. The notification has come for it, right? So we will discuss what is there in this notification. So yes, the syllabus for ICSE maths has reduced, but first let's discuss what part has been reduced, and then we'll discuss key what you should do, what you should not do. Okay. So the first thing, beta, the syllabus parts which has been reduced from your part. First thing, key or share and dividend topic has been completely removed. Okay. The complete chapter share and dividend has been completely removed. Got it? It is not there in your syllabus. Okay. So first news. After that, the next part, ratio and proportions. So it is not like the whole chapter has been removed. Only the direct application part has been removed. Direct application part means the part which was involving with the word problems. So that word problems wala part has been removed. Okay, the real life situation word problems wala part that has been removed, but other than that, rest all the part is there. Component of dividendo, component of dividendo rule, okay, proportionality, okay, continued proportion, mean proportion, third proportion, all of that is there, but the direct application part is not present. Okay. Then in geometry progression, GP has been removed. Okay, this chapter also has been removed from your syllabus. After that, similarity. So similarity may there is one very small topic, size transformations and maps and models. So it was a very basic topic. Even if you don't read it, if you read it later also, then you'll not be able to understand. Okay, and the this topic is not that much of importance, so easily this topic also has been removed. Then loci, so the locus topics were there. You had three locus in your chapter, so that also has been completely removed. Okay, so you had a locus of a circle, locus of an angle bisector, and locus of a perpendicular bisector. So these three very small topics were there. That all has been removed. Okay, and two properties from the tangent part has been removed. One is that if two circles are touching, the point of contact of both the circle will lie on the line joining the centers. And then one is that if the chord and the center, a chord and a tangent are bisecting outside the circle, then the tangent square is equal to the product of the segment of the chords. Okay, so these two theorems has been removed. These two theorems has been removed. Okay, and then height and distance. So not the whole topic, but the problems which include more than two right angles. So the problems up to two right angle triangles will be there. This is accepted, but if a problem is there, something like this, it will be removed. So more than two right angle triangles part will not be accepted in your syllabus. Okay, and then mensuration. So in mensuration, problems on the frustum of the cone. Frustum of the cone has been removed, but remaining part is there. Remaining part is there. Okay, so these are the problems. Now understand, if you look carefully, the topics which has been removed, either they are very basic in nature, or they are not going to be useful in your grade 11th and 12th if you are going for science stream. Okay, because the mathematics part you will be taking as your optional subject in your grade 11th and 12th if you are going to going for JE examination, right? So maths will be one of your optional subject. So for those, so in that case, the syllabus has been removed in such a way that those portions either you will learn in your grade 11th that has been removed, or those portions which was not relevant, and if you have the knowledge of basic mathematics, you can understand it on your own. So those kind of chapters has been removed. For example, share and dividend. Share and dividend is a topic in which the basic calculations are there. Okay, simple two, three formulas are there, and the meaning of those formulas, if you know, you can easily understand the chapter without any teacher as well. So, share and dividend is a very basic topic, and it is not going to be useful after grade 10th. Okay, so that topic has been removed. If you wanted the knowledge of shares and dividend, you can further anytime you can study and get knowledge of it. So, share and dividend has been removed. Second part, in ratio and proportions, the direct applications has been removed because the direct application comes in the aptitude which you can do later also, and you have done in the previous grades as well. But the alternando rule, componendo dividendo rule, that part is very important even for the calculation purpose. So that part is still over there. Only the application part has been removed. Remember, okay? Share as dividend gone, full chapter gone. In ratio and proportions, only the application part, direct applications, that means the word problems part has been removed. After that, geometry progression, the whole chapter has been removed. It is not like it is not important. Geometry progression is very important, but whatever you were learning about geometry progression in your grade 10th, that same thing you are going to study in your grade 11th as well, and that too in more detail. So geometry progression can be handled at that point also. So that is why GP has been removed. You can learn it in your grade 11. Okay. Then similarly to the size transformation, maps and models, this was a very basic thing. There was not a big concept of maths involved behind it. Yeah? And the transformation and all, you can just learn it on your own also. And it is not much relevant compared to your future part. Okay, so there the transformation and all which you will be studying in your grade 11th, like how the point changes and all, that is going to be very basic. You are going to understand like this. Okay, so this part has been removed. After that, locus, so this loci or locus, this locus has been removed because these are the three small topics. The locus of any point you are going to study in your higher grades in much more detail. So there also the same thing will be covered. Okay, so due to the shortage of the time, those chapters which will be covered again from the basic in your higher grades has been removed for now to compensate this academic gap which has been come here because of the lockdown, right? So locus you are going to study in your higher grade. It is not like it is important, it is not important, it is very important. So GP, locus are the two topics which were important but has been removed because you are going to study them in your higher grades. So if you have time, you can start reading those chapters on your own as well. That is going to be preparing in advance. So that is going to be very important because GP and locus are two chapters which are not there in your grade 10 syllabus, but if you are planning to take JE examination in your higher grades, that is better to start preparing with these two. Don't leave them. Okay. After that, tangent properties, only two theorems are taken out, but you can go through the proof of this theorem in your exam in your books. It is already given, so you can go if you are planning for your JE examination. Okay. So for those students who are going for JE examination, for them the share and dividend is not useful. Share and dividend, so yeah, I don't think it is useful for science. Those students who will be taking science stream, I don't have any idea about commerce stream, but share and dividend is such a topic that you can learn it anytime you want. It's a very fairly easy topic. Okay, tangent, these two theorems are also very important, so you can leave it for now if you are going for your other stream other than science. If you are going, you can leave it for now. But those who are going to take JE, those who are going to take science and maths as their optional stream in your grade 11th and 12th, it is important that you cover the topics which I am telling you right now. So first I have told you GP, then I have told you your this part. What was the previous one? Locus, and then these two theorems. Okay. After that, heights and distance. So two triangle problems are more than enough. Three triangles problems mein utna there is nothing hi-fi thing. As soon as your calculations will become better, you will be able to solve them also. So there is not nothing like new concept involved over here. So two triangle problems will be kept. More than two triangle problems, if are there in any of the question, those questions will not be asked in your syllabus. Okay. Then the problems of frustum of the cone, you can leave this part. It's simple formula questions. Okay. So formula, three formulas are there. You can remove it. The shape is also not that important. And in your higher grades also, I don't think frustum formula is used anywhere. And even if it is used anywhere, you can easily understand the formulas. So this frustum is removed. That is not a big point. It is not that important. That is why it has been removed. Okay, so these are the parts which I have told you. So I have told you either they have removed the unimportant parts which was not useful after grade 10th, or they have removed that part which you will again study in your grade 11th from the basics. Got it? So out of all this, the most important thing is geometry progression, locus, and the theorems of the tangent. Those two theorems. These three parts, if you are planning to go in your science and math stream and opt for JE examination, you better prepare these three topics whenever you have your book and whenever you have free time. Okay? So that is what is my advice to you all. Rest all the students. The topic has been removed, so you can have what do I say, a sigh of relief. Okay, And yeah, those who are planning to take commerce and arts, no need to go through any of them. You can easily remove them. Even for those students who are planning to take bio as well, you can also leave these chapters right now. Okay, and officially these chapters are not going to be there in your grade 10th examination for ICSE boards. Okay, so that's a good news or whatever it is, that is all up to you. But it's a relief for many students because now the syllabus has been reduced and you will be able to prepare them in time also. So now is a good chance for you to have good marks in this part, right? So this is all, beta. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Please give a like if you like the information given here, or subscribe to the channel. You can reach out to me for any query at my email ID provided here as well. Got it? So this is all. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Good night. Good hafiz. Bye bye.